I wanted to learn how to use Godot, so I did. I watched these 2 tutorials made by Brackies, and let me tell you, learning Godot was a horrible experience, bro. Because tell me why this engine gets an unholy amount of glazing for being the fastest thing around, faster than Sonic, faster than like the Flash. People are saying it runs on a potato, it runs on the left toner. I was in a different country at the time, so I couldn't use my WPC to learn Godot. I had to use my laptop, and my god, bro. It took like 20 seconds to make a node, it took an hour to run the game, to get some cryptic ass error. Damn! The only reason I picked you is because you're fast and you're still slow. You're not even good at your job. Oh, but I like Godot. It's good. So basically, I just came up with this game idea in the shower.
Bruh.
And like before the shower, I just watched this video on like how to fail at game mode or something. And I was like, what if the entire point of the game is that you look really bad and you want to look better? And then I just thought like, okay, make it a puzzle platform. And now the whole reason I made this game is because my friends were begging me to make a video, and I had nothing to make a video on. Alright, so I didn't really make much of the game. All I did was like make the core mechanics. No levels. I'm lazy.
You stupid!
Alright, so the first thing I made was a player with a character body 2D node, with this beautiful sprite idea. I added a hitbox to it, and then added my inbuilt player script, which worked perfectly the first time. I wasn't lying when I said it worked good the first time, but I just tweaked some values and added some variables to make it feel better, and now it looks like this. Alright, so the next thing I added was some clones, which is gonna be like the main puzzle part of the game. You use the clones to like escape the level. Alright, so I make a new scene and just basically copy everything the player has, but make like the sprite slightly wider. I edited the player script so that you can switch between your clone and yourself for who you control. So after adding in the player clone, I tested it and it worked perfectly fine. Oh, look at me. I'm such a good scripter who could never make any bugs. Yeah, but now it's time for the real thing. A pencil that can make I make the node, add the sprite, add the hitbox, and then change the shape of the hitbox and add this beautiful sprite idea. And then it's on to making the script, which I had no problems with, because I'm the best GG scripter. Okay, so maybe it didn't work the first time. What I have to do is just edit like the player script or something, because maybe there's a button there. No? Oh, okay. And then I just tried to make it delete itself when I touched it, but my dumbass couldn't get that to work either, so... And then I finally realized that I was actually just deleting the hitbox and not the actual scene. So, you know, I was pretty mad about that. But hey, at least it kills itself now. Anyways, it was time to actually make a clone. And I did that easily after not watching it. And then I just used the code in the video, and it worked perfectly. Anyways, now it's time for art, and for some reason I decided for this game to be 8x8. I don't know why, I just did. But you're gonna watch these montages now. After adding all of them, the game looks like this. It still looks bad, but we've got player sprites, so... I started working on the tile sets, which took me around 100,000 times to get right, but eventually I settled on this, which did come back to haunt me because I forgot like 4 of like the most important tiles you can have. Alright, and then I got really confused on how you actually set up the tile sets, because I couldn't drag in the sprites, but I had to watch some tutorial on YouTube. Bro, shut up! Oh, okay, yeah, I watched the tutorial and then I made the tile set. And this right here is when I realized I'm a dumbass and didn't actually add like those 4 important tiles, so I just had to make do with the ones I had for now. But it works. I did add more stuff like enemies and those 4 tiles, but it's already taken me like 3 days to edit this, so I'm not editing the next like 5 hours.